When you judge others, you do not define them, you define yourself. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. Problems are challenges to creative minds. Without problems, there would be little reason to think at all. Whenever we're afraid, it's because we don't know enough. If we understood enough, we would never be afraid. A bad attitude is like a flat tire. You can't go anywhere till you change it. Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. We will not receive what we idly wish for what we justly earn. Our rewards will always be in exact proportion to our service. You'll find boredom where there is the absence of a good idea. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become reality. Work never killed anyone. It's worry that does the damage, and the worry would disappear if we just settled down and do the work. All you have to do is know where you're going. The answers will come to you of their own accord. Everything in the world we want to do or get done, we must do with and through people. Our attitude towards life determines life's attitude towards us. We are all self-made, but only the successful will admit it. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. Success is not the result of making money. Making money is the result of success, and success is in direct proportion to our service. We become what we think about most of the time, and that's the strangest secret. Wherever there is danger, there lurks opportunity. Wherever there is opportunity, there lurks danger. The two are inseparable. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our lives from within. There is a time when one must decide either to risk everything to fulfill one's dreams or sit for the rest of one's life in the backyard. The opposite of courage in our society is not cowardice, it is conformity. People are where they are because that is exactly where they really want to be, whether they will admit that or not. We all walk in the dark, and each of us must learn to turn on his or her own light. We must be the epitome, the embodiment of success. We must radiate success before it will come to us. Your problem is to bridge the gap which exists between where you are now and the goal you intend to reach. No man can get rich himself unless he enriches others. There is no success without suffering. I think that the word suffering was meant to mean tremendous effort and direction. The man who succeeds above his fellows is the one who early in life clearly discerns his object, and towards that object habitually directs his powers. You are, at this moment, standing right in the middle of your own acres of diamonds. Earl Nightingale was an American radio personality, motivational speaker, and author. He is best known for his work in the self-improvement and personal development field. One of his most famous works is the recording titled The Strangest Secret, where he emphasizes the power of one's thoughts and the impact they have on one's life